Hi, and welcome to another video, where I will be showing you exact ways to get more views on your YouTube videos daily. But before we proceed, don't forget to click on the subscription button and notification bell for more information like this. We've asked successful YouTubers and video influencers to share their top tips on how to increase views on YouTube. From all the hundreds of tips, we've extracted few of them that kept repeating themselves and two that were a bit surprising. Here's the most important piece of advice you need to hear before you feast on the expert's wisdom. Focus on increasing your channel views, not views on individual videos. YouTube is more than a video platform. It's a search engine, and your videos will rank better and get more exposure if your channel has a longer accumulated view time. In turn, each individual video will get more views. Now let's get into details. Number 1, know your audience. You're excited about what's sharing your video, and that's great. But that doesn't get you any views. First, you should define who your audience is. Who are you trying to reach with your video content and would benefit from it? Next, find out what they are looking for, how they are searching, and what type of content works for them. It's also important to keep in mind that different types of videos work for different audiences. If you're trying to grow your audience, try experimenting with different types of content and see what works best for them. 2. Do keyword research. Where and how do you start understanding your audience and what works for them? Keyword research. You'll see that a lot of the tips circle back to doing research for video SEO. It makes sense because you need to know how your audience is searching to optimize your videos. One way to get hints about it is through YouTube Auto-Suggest. This is a good start, but the results are limited. A keyword research tool gives you much more information. SimilarWeb digital marketing platform, for example, offers a keyword generator specifically for YouTube. We quickly found that it was easy to target too broad of an audience, leading to a lot of empty impressions as the campaign was targeting people outside of our desired demographic. We remedied this by introducing more targeted keywords and negative keyword lists. 3. Optimize titles and descriptions for search. Here's where you implement the keywords you found in the research phase. Like any other search engine, YouTube ranks search results based on keywords that crawlers find in written content. Create your title around the main keyword and put it in your description. You can then add secondary keywords to the description and also YouTube tags. Make sure your title is neat. Keep it precise with the search term keyword in that you want your video to appear most for, and then use a separator before putting your brand name in. Many of the video marketers we asked mention the importance of the title in different aspects. It's one thing to rank and get found. It's another thing to grab the target audience's attention and curiosity. Make sure the title isn't focused around you, but on what the audience wants to see. Let them know how they benefit and what answers they'll get from your video. 4. Create captivating thumbnails. YouTube picks a random frame from your video as a thumbnail. It can be the most unfortunate and boring scene of the entire video. Instead of settling for this, YouTube also lets you add a thumbnail of your own. You can choose any other video scene from your video or create a completely new thumbnail. Many YouTubers spend a considerable amount of time creating enticing thumbnails. Tools such as Canva make it easy and even offer templates. Some video marketers have professional designers working on each thumbnail. A quick notice before I continue. Please, if you have gained something from this video, please consider subscribing to this channel. It's completely free to subscribe. 5. Check what others do. Part of understanding what works for your audience can come from examining what works for your competitors. See what similar companies do on their channels, what type of video they offer, how long the videos are, and what kind of engagement they get. Get inspired by what your audience likes on competitors' channels. Use YouTube competitive analysis tactics to examine how competitors get more views on YouTube. Understand video strategies and the performance of their video marketing. SimilarWeb lets you analyze channel traffic and engagement metrics to help benchmark and set goals for yourself. 6. Share videos on social media and blog. Another effective way to get more eyes on your videos is to distribute them through additional marketing channels. Promoting and posting across numerous channels, in my opinion, not only yields more views but also a larger readership. This cross-platform strategy offers 3 times as many opportunities for compensated views and for reaching new members of your desired audience. Now, last but not the least, 9. Be consistent. Persistence may be the toughest hurdle for beginning YouTubers to tackle. When the initial enthusiasm wanes, so does the motivation. Viewers, on the other hand, like things they can rely on. They want to know that you're here to stay. So, that's the 9 tips I have for you today. For those that had substance to my channel, Thank you very much. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe now, and God bless you.